Easy there, little Yuffie. Should I take it from here? Well then, if you insist.
You. Looks like you're recovering well. I see you're getting even better at treating people now, Ruko.
How do you feel? Let me know if anything bothers you.
No need to be so polite. We castaways look after one another. Never turn your back on a comrade who needs help. This is one of the principles that Gopher Troop lives by.
Don't force it. I'm afraid your memories are all but don't worry. I'm Ruko, and this is Euphoria and Cloar. Let us know if you have any questions. I'm sure you'll remember everything in no time.
Well, how should I put this? There is a small handful of people who can't resonate with the Dubriostal, which is an energy crystal that most regard as a god. And so we were called the Castaway by Crystallis Conflux, who worships the Dubriostal. They denounced us as a class of lowly creatures with an incomplete soul, and discriminated against, prosecuted, and even massacred us.
If you ask me, though, Crystallis Conflux is nothing more than a bunch of bad apples. And I couldn't care less what they think.
Gopher Troop is a secret society that saves castaways and fights Crystallis Complex by providing us with weapons. We travel around as a troop to cover our identities, and we've gained traction with our performances.
Unfortunately, you were badly injured in the disaster caused by Crystallis Conflux, and you were found on the side of the road. But count yourself lucky, because we found you before it was too late. And surprise! Turns out you're a castaway too. Let's save the rest of that for some other time. Come on, take that out already!
Yuffie can never wait for a second. But truth be told, I'd very much like to see what you've got too.
This is a brand new astrolabe. It can induce a castaway's true power. Mind-boggling, right?
Put your hand on it and see what your hidden power is. What? What is this?
Don't worry. We are here with you.
Yes, we will never turn our backs on a friend. How is that possible? I've never seen a space like this. It doesn't look like the Fantasyland either. Could this be?
Yep.
I've only heard of it too, but I guess this must be it. When a castaway resonates with an astrolabe, they can enter their spiritual domain through the astrolabe and unlock unparalleled power.
Yep.
I always thought it was some made-up story that they tell kids.
Except it isn't. By the way, is it just me? Or can anyone else hear that too? Finally noticed me, huh? Hello, Master. I've been waiting for you. Allow me to help you awaken your power by guiding you through a series of training. Yep, I know I'm adorable. But time is of the essence. Hey! Don't jinx it! Careful when you say those words! Call me Diathea. Master, without further ado, let the trials commence! 3 meters? Reminds me of Fantasyland. Don't worry, we've got your back. This is your final trial, Master. Unseal the astrolabe and reclaim your power! But of course, you have to ask for its permission first. Watch out! Here it comes! We are at your command. What? Yeah! Yuffie! That move was amazing!
Your ability is amazing, Director!
It's true. Master, you have earned your right to this power. Now, hold out your hand and break the seal! Master!
Thank you so much for restoring me to my proper form. Thank you for your silliness. That was easy. Seems like I did the right thing teleporting you here.
Watch out!
As for you guys, you are of no use to me anymore. Now, get out of my spiritual domain! It's just you and me now. Are you ready to serve me for the rest of eternity? The world out there is a mess. You should just surrender your body to me and stay in here. That was merely an accident. There's no way a human could ever hold me down. Yes, my child, come. Time to say goodbye to the outside world. So it was you! Damn it, Eruthyll! Coming this far trying to keep this castaway safe. Huh? But is it really worth it?
Well then, you who bear the goddess's hope, show me what you've got. Don't get me wrong, I can't get out of here anyway, so let's call a truce. But this space isn't entirely safe now with such a weakling here. Well, I suppose it wouldn't hurt to lend you some more power. I, Diathea, bestow upon you the key ability. After all, this story would be much too boring with a protagonist so weak.
Did you mean that a golden butterfly called Eruthyll saved your life? It can't be. Does she actually exist? Eruthyll is the guardian goddess of the planet Eruthyll. Legend has it that she takes on the form of a butterfly to guide her people, except people don't revere the goddess anymore. Instead, Crystallis Conflux has become their sole belief.
To hell with Crystallis Conflux. They're just a bunch of zealots.
But anyway, if the legendary goddess herself came to save you, who are you exactly?
Just a newbie who came this far with a lot of untold secret support.
Yuffie! That's no way to speak about our new acting director.
So the chubby blue devil that calls herself Diathea is in your body now? Diathea's what blessing? And that's how this newbie went straight to become the acting director. What's Director Bernal thinking?
Anyhow, this is the old director's decision. And I know for a fact that it's a wise one, because I'm a fortune teller who can see the future. It seems like your memory loss might just turn out to be a godsend. Now, since you're back to square one, why don't you come up with a name you like and sign it here?